What? What?
What?
What?
What? What?
What? What?
What?
What? What? What?
What?
What? काय म्हणते ग?
खरं? किती सांगताय?
What? What? What?
Hey guys, you heard it right. अपना गब्बर अरुण रिजाइन किया है and now he's going back to India for good. मोदी संभाल के रहना, अपना ट्रम्प आ रहा है क्या?
Cheers to Arun for his resignation or for his retirement life.
Hi Arun, how are you? Hope you'll be enjoying to see this video. It's been 11 years. It's shocking to me that so soon these 11 years have been passed by, and even now I cannot believe we are moving for good from Bahrain. It's been a wonderful journey till now. You are there for everything. Thanks for all your support till date. We wish you all the very best for your second innings back home in India. Even we miss Nandita and Cookie. Our best wishes to your entire family. Love you.
हे अरुण, तुम्ही असे अर्धे आत देऊन वेतात म्हणून चिंतून घातले. It was wonderful being with you here in Bahrain, and wish you all the best and wish you all the success and happiness and good health always. All the best, and we always keep remembering you without your presence. Take care.
बाय बाय अरुण.
Abba.
बाय बाय आबा. हांव तुका मिस करता. मस्त वेगळी आहे. मागीर इंडियन तू कोरोना व्हायरस आसा. बरे करून रावते. भायर खंय जागृताय भायर खंय वचो नको. ओके डन.
Okay Arun, take care. We wish you all the very best. Minds a go. Only my cousin Marley Sheddy.
All the best Arun uncle and Nandita aunty.
Stay blessed. We'll miss you.
All the best, Arun, Nandita. God bless you. Take care. We'll meet you soon.
Bye. See you in Bangalore.
Bye.
Hi Arun, wishing you all the very best for your future, and looking forward to see you sometimes in Bangalore. Love and regards to Nans and all at home. You have a safe flight. Take care, and we'll miss you in Bahrain.
All the very best, Arun.
Good luck Arun uncle. Have a safe flight.
Take care. Bye.
Have you, Nandita, and Cookie with us. All these years you have given us so many memories. Especially wherever you are present, you would give us this party has begun feels. And one of the most famous dialogue which you would always say, and which I will always remember, is this "Mine so go." And on behalf of Stephen, myself, and Aaron, I wish you all the best. And it is not a goodbye. We shall meet again.
Bye, Abba. Bye, Arun uncle.
Hi Arun, finally the Mankodi is leaving. Anyway, I wish you all the best. It's been really nice having you around. I'm sure all of us are going to miss you.
കുടുംബത്തെ ഞാൻ കണ്ട നിമിഷം തൊട്ട് എനിക്ക് ഒത്തിരി ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. അരുണും കുടുംബവും പോകുന്ന ഒത്തിരി സങ്കടമുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും കൂടെ ഒരുമിച്ച് ജീവിക്കുന്നതിൽ ഒത്തിരി സന്തോഷമാണ്. എൻ്റെ പ്രാർത്ഥന ദൈവാനുഗ്രഹം നിങ്ങളുടെ കുടുംബത്തിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ അമ്മച്ചി. ഓൾ ദ ബെസ്റ്റ്.
Hi, Jada. First of all, I like to say that I like the way you call me underground. Somehow I like it. I guess that suits me very well. Name. Secondly, when I think about you, when I had a first party with you guys, after I moved into this building, I saw somebody was making a drink with hot water. So, when I saw that, it's a kind of first experience in my life. First time I'm seeing somebody with such kind of drink mix. Anyway, now it's a time to say see you again instead of saying goodbye. We know that it's a new chapter of your life. You what do you say? Yeah, all the working hours or working days are over. Now the fun days are started beginning. We wish, and we actually will always remember. We always remember the good times we had, these evening parties we spent together, after the hectic office hours. And I doubt whether we are going to have such kind of happenings again in this building, due to many reasons now. One being you are not there as a chief coordinator. We wish and pray that Almighty will continue to bless you and your family. We will see you in Bangalore or in Cochin. We love you all.
Hi, Arun, Uncle, Cookie and Nandita auntie. We miss you. Take care. Bye.
Hi Arun, Nandita and Cookie. We will miss you. Good luck for your new chapter in Bangalore, and we will keep you all in our prayers. Take care.
Bye, Uncle Arun, Auntie Nandita and Cookie. We'll all miss you very much. We miss everything. Stay safe and take care. Bye.
The man with the big heart, the man behind every activity in the building, the man who organized all the activities and going out and moving and everything. We will miss you, man. Wish you all the best, a safe journey, good health, happiness, and all the best to three of y'all till we meet again when we are all back in India. My wife will talk now and then my daughter.
Yeah, Arun, it was a pleasure and lovely to have met us. Lovely that our paths crossed and that we met in this building and we spent so many lovely years together. And pleasure to be with you, Nandita and Shifali. Keep going, wishing you all the best, most especially the very best of health. God bless the three of you all. And may you all spend many more happier years, moments together. All that you have lost out, may you go back to Bangalore and catch up. God bless you. Keep going, keep moving, keep rocking, keep dancing.
Rocko!
Bye, Uncle Arun. Hope you have a great flight. Now nobody will be there to call me voltage. Auntie Nandita is also gone. Shivali is also gone. She's not coming now. Only you're there. Now you will also go. So hopefully we'll see you again. And hopefully you go back home and stay with your family and safely. And hope your flight and all is all safe. Take care.
Was your one house where all of us, everyone in the building could walk in anytime. Just walk in, sit at home, be relaxed. Then when we would leave, say, sit man, sit, where are you going? And we would carry on. So we'll miss that. There will be no other house which we so conveniently just walk in and walk out. And so that's your house was one house where everyone congregated.
And we'll miss teasing you also, pulling your legs all the time. And hope, inshallah, you have to hear that word once more while you're in Yalla Bahrain. Inshallah, we should meet in India sometime, somewhere, Bangalore, Nagpur, you never know. Take care.
Mabruk that you got a flight and that you will be going back finally to be with family. Take care. Our good wishes with you now and always. Bye, boss. Mr. Fernandez.
Happy landing and be happy.
Bye.
First take off happily. Be safe.
Safe departure, safe landing. And any problem there, just say the king. You saw my two bodyguards standing behind me. I'm like the king over here. Yaad rakhna bhai. See you. Take care. God bless.
अरुण कसो आसा तूं आमकां सकला सोडण्यात आहे मग ओके ऑल द बेस्ट ओके गुड लक
अरुणा क्लॅरीची 2 तुवाला भिजले ने भारी बेजार आणि क्लॅरी दत्ता तुझे पाणी म्हणून कोणी ना आणले जालो
अंकल कशी असे गावावरती बरे करे जो मोठे जा
टेक केअर टेक रेस्ट
बाय बाय
ओके ऑल द बेस्ट अरुण थँक यू
ओके कन्वे आवर गेस्ट नंदिता and Misha Shipali Cookie
bye
take care enjoy in India have a nice
soon.
day we will meet you soon take care
Thank you.
bye bye
Just wishing you all the best for your near future. We had a lovely time in Bahrain. It was nice meeting such a humble and sweet person, such a caring person. I'm sure all the gang will miss you. So do we. Hope to meet you soon. And I'm sure there's no one to say now beg and lean. You'll have to find someone else in Bangalore.
Hi Arun, wishing you all the best for your back home life. We had really enjoyed your company for a couple of years. It was nice knowing you, a bright and charming, a smart personality. We will miss you always and we will be in touch. Thank you so much.
Bye Arun uncle, have a great time.
Bye Arun uncle, take care.
Arun, I'm glad that finally you are boarding a Vande Bharat flight which will land in Bangkok. Have a safe flight, take care, stay safe. I'm sure we'll meet sooner than expected and we are just a phone call away. A lot of memories associated with you, prominently with Atoka Kamama. Take care, cheers, bye.
Hi Arun, Talaiva. You always call me Talaiva. Now today I thought I will call you a Talaiva. The reason is that you are leaving to India and you are leaving us from Bahrain. It was almost 10 years now. We had a very good friendship. And whenever I see any liquor bottle, I remember you because you want me to have a liquor with you. But unfortunately, there is many restrictions. I could not add a liquor with you. So whenever, if in future, if I take a liquor, definitely I'll tell cheers to Arun. Arun, it was really a good time to add a friendship like you. You are very honest. You are very honest and you are very straightforward. And most like I like you is the way how you brought Shifali. And we had a very good time. I wish you the best of luck for the future. And world is round. One day we'll meet again. Best of luck, Arun. Thank you.
Hey, boss Arun, all the best on your new venture. I hear you are leaving Bahrain. You are leaving the place where you got a graduation, or I would say post-graduation in drinking, moving over from hot beer, warm beer, through to whiskey and hot water. At least the place taught you something. Keep it up. Keep it up where you're going. Hopefully you'll go there. Take a consultancy position in RCB for your all your auctions. At least they can get some good players. At least when you're here. Anyway, RCB is not going to win anything, but at least with your this thing, they might make it to the top 4 or maybe to the finals. That would be a great achievement. And enjoy and all the best.
Hi Arun, welcome back to India.
All the best in your new chapter in your life. I hope everything works well, and I'm sure it will. So take care of yourself, and hope to see you sometime in Vancouver, at least on Zoom chat more frequently. Bye.
Bye Arun, see you soon, talk to you soon.
be back in Bangalore. Welcome!
Hi Arun, it's sad to see you go. Finally, you're going back to India. We are going to miss you. Nance, Cooks, we thought they will be here in Bahrain and we'll have a good fun. But unfortunately, COVID-19 has shattered all our plans. But no worries, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Life doesn't end here. We'll meet up soon in India. Till then, take care, be safe, all the best, have a safe journey.
Hey Arun uncle, more than me, dad is gonna miss you because now who will drink with him on Thursdays and who will sprinkle water on my specs on the weekdays? But it's fine, I will miss you, have a safe journey and all the best for your future ahead.
Hey Arun, all the best mate. Enjoy your trip back to Bangalore. I know Nance and Cooks both are waiting anxiously for you. And of course all your well-wishers and friends back home in India. On a lighter note, गली को आग कहते हैं, बुद्धि को राग कहते हैं, जिस नालुक से बारूद बनता है उसी को अरुण फर्नांडिस कहते हैं. All the best!
Hey Arun uncle, I just wanted to say all the best and I hope your journey goes really well from here on. And I really miss all those taunts. I'll just have to find someone new to taunt me from now. And I'll see you soon. Bye.
Finally going to be here. We're super excited.
Hey Aruni, we've been waiting and finally you're going to make it to your favorite place.
Malabar?
Hi Arun, my little brother, my little Ebuli. Where were you gone all these years? I missed you so much. So happy to know that you are coming back. 13th of June is the day. 13th will be your lucky number. Welcome back. Join the Retirees Club. I'm waiting for you. And we're going to have a party with 100 pipers playing for you. And your favorite sunflower. Welcome back, brother. We all love you and can't wait to have you back.
Welcome back. A floral welcome to you.
Welcome back to all the Mangalore delicacies, Arun.
And guess what you will get on your return? Patolio.
And best of all, Arun, your favorite chili pork and dokla.
Welcome back, Arun.
Hi, Uncle Arun.
Hi Arun.
Welcome back to India.
Bangalore.
Anybody else has anything to say?
Say Tamara.
Hi.
Okay, apparently that's it. That's your welcome back. So this is your official welcome back. What is that? From fatherland to motherland, and that's a decent welcome. By the way, Hadbo, Kombo, Undir, you'll need to be all that when you come to India. So be ready for that. And Red Label is waiting for all the flashbacks of all the Bahrain memories for the next couple of years. So cheers to that. And good luck with your trip back.
तेरे जाने की खुशी और दिल उदास है, दूर हम हुए तो क्या, दिल तो दिल के पास है। तू कल चला जाएगा तो मैं क्या करूँगा, तू कल चला जा